So this set is the Gift of Dreamy Skin. This is absolutely perfect for any skincare lover or those that maybe prefer a more natural makeup look in your life. It contains 3 exclusive brand new products that you will only find inside this set. It is only €45 or £40. Let's open up and see what's inside. Let's get started with Gentle Cleanser. This is, as the name suggests, a super gentle, universal, suits everybody, all skin types, makeup removing and face cleansing gentle cleanser. I'm going to use this all over my skin. I obviously don't have anything on, but you can use it to take your makeup off, or you can use it in the morning to give yourself a nice fresh feel. And then very simply, I'm going to take my sculpted cloth, remove all of that, and my skin is going to feel squeaky clean. This works amazingly on sensitive skin and also to remove eye makeup, which, let's be honest, is going to be super handy around festive season as we're coming in a little bit late, might have a bit of extra makeup on. That's going to be our best friend. Also should say, Gentle Cleanser, as the name suggests, is really gentle for all ages. So if you're gifting the Gift of Dreamy Skin to someone in your life, rest assured it's going to work on all skin types. So we're going to go into our CloudCream Maxi next. So this is 3 times the amount that you get in a normal CloudCream moisturizer. And like I said, you will not find this anywhere else outside of the Gift of Dreamy Skin. CloudCream is something that I am really proud of. It's produced in South Korea like all of our skincare and complexion lines are. It's packed with ceramides, which are essentially an amazing ingredient to protect the skin barrier, which we all need to do, particularly in this season where it's a little bit colder. Skin might be a little bit more tired, we might be applying a little bit more makeup than usual. This is like the hug your skin needs. So I've applied that all over, and then I'm going to finish with Lip Treat. Like I said, I cannot live without Lip Treat, and not only did we bring it back, we brought it back in an exclusive rose tinted shade. The thing I love most about Lip Treat is that it's an intensive balm that you can wear overnight or day to day. The rose colour is really subtle, so it works on absolutely everybody. It's got the most delicious scent, and honestly, when you apply this winter, summer, autumn, spring, your lips will thank you. And there we go. That is the Gift of Dreamy Skin. My skin officially feels soft, supple, nourished, and ready to rock. This is absolutely the dream gift for the skincare obsessed in your life.